Good morning, Vlogmas day 4. Huh? I went to cycling this morning and I was not feeling it, to be honest. I booked a class early in the morning because I needed an excuse to get out of bed because my sleeping schedule has been so messed up. I've been sleeping in way too much, and today's a busy day. I will be packing orders today and I have to head off to my 9 to 5 afterwards, of course. So I wanted to get an early start, so I did my cycling class. I tried my best. It's okay. Sometimes it just is what it is. And then I stopped by for some coffee. I drank half of my Celsius, so we're definitely gonna be wired. And I got some sandwich. There's like this cute little cafe that I used to go to when I was living at my old place that I don't get to visit that much anymore. So I stopped by there, got a pesto avocado sandwich. Oh, I saw that Spotify Wrapped is out, so I kind of wanted to have like a real-time reaction of mine. Of course, Lana has to be on there, but I feel like I wasn't listening to Lana that much this year. Oh, I'm so excited! 2024, what a year. For real. I might have to turn it down a little bit so I don't get copyrighted. I listened for 112,333 minutes this year. That puts you at the 1%. Ooh. Lana Del Rey was your top artist of the year, period. I'm surprised that is even still the case because I feel like I didn't listen to her this much this year specifically. I was going through it, so I try to stay away from like really sad music, which is why I played so much lo-fi. My top artists were Lana Del Rey, Casper Lindmark. I don't know who that is, so I think that's a lo-fi person. 3, Lo-Fi Waiter. I feel like I recognize that one. 4, Kali Uchis. A lot of Kali Uchis, I do remember that. 5, One Heart, which is also another lo-fi artist. So let's do this makeup under 10 minutes because I have to skedaddle. Honestly, I'm only day 2 into using the Booster Pro, and so I've used it 3 times and I see such a difference already in my skin. It's incredible. I'm really excited to continue using it and see like the long-term effects of using it. I'll probably film like a full on like current makeup routine at some point during Vlogmas, but right now we're just trying to beat the time. You know what, I'm not even gonna film like that because I've been having like back problems in the last few days, which I'm pretty sure it's from sleeping wrong, but let me not hunch over like that. That can't be helpful. Oh, whew, she's good. Oh gosh, I just bought this one too. I was like, there's no way. I just broke it. I feel like even my face looks more snatched. When I said that I was about to look 10 years younger, I am not kidding. The lighting is terrible. I also noticed that once I upload the videos, they get like overexposed. So bear with me. I have to figure that out. That's the beauty of practicing and uploading when no one's really watching. That way you can like tweak things in practice. Why am I still hunched over? This is why my back hurts. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I could not be bothered to vlog at work. It just seemed more of a hassle than anything. But I just got home. I'm going to take off my makeup, do my skincare. Using the gadget makes me look forward to doing my skincare, especially because I feel like I've been seeing a lot of difference in my skin, so I can't wait. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.